surprise, it's me, Sassysamey here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be my June favorites, and it's a combination of beauty items, hair items, and then miscellaneous things that I have been loving for the month of June. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Let's get started. I only have a couple of beauty items, so let's start out with that. The first thing is my favorite lip gloss that I've been loving. The month of May and June, I haven't been actually wearing a lot of liquid lipsticks. I feel like I've been wearing a lot more lip glosses and chapstick and less actual lipsticks the last couple of months. So this one is my favorite by far. It's by Hikari lip gloss in Merlot. It looks like that. Beautiful. Let me do a swatch for you guys. I actually have it on my lips, but it is a super pigmented lip gloss, but it's very, very pretty. It's super high shine and it lasts throughout the day and it feels very comfortable on the lips, and it's not too sticky to where I actually notice it like throughout the day. I'm not like, because I hate those kinds of lip glosses. It's not my thing, but I have been loving this. It's been amazing and I really like the formula for this, and I also want to pick up a couple of different shades because this is a perfect like going out color. So I love that. Amazing, amazing. Next thing is a couple of hair products, because if you guys can tell, I don't know if you can or cannot, but my hair, like the bottom of my hair is purple. So I asked Brittany, my hairstylist, what shampoo she would recommend to keep the color lasting a little bit longer and vibrant. So I picked up the Unite 7 seconds shampoo, moisture, shine, and protect. This has been amazing. The smell, it smells so good. So I only have the shampoo because I usually just shampoo my hair. I don't really condition my hair, and when I do condition my hair, I use my Sassysamey conditioner just with this one, but usually I just shampoo my hair once or twice a week, and that gets me into my next product. Since I don't wash my hair every day and I usually go a long period of time without actually washing my hair, I need a dry shampoo, and I have been on the hunt for an amazing dry shampoo for the last, I want to say a couple of months. So I have two that I have been loving. The first one is a small travel size. This is actually what I take with me whenever I travel. This is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Shampooing Dry Shampoo. This one is just the clean and classic original. Looks like this. It's a very tiny bottle because I do take this with me when I do travel, so that is why. And also, like, the smell is amazing and it doesn't leave any of that white cast that a lot of dry shampoos leave on like darker hair colors. So I really do like this one. They do have a whole bunch of different ones, so if you are looking for a dry shampoo that is, maybe you don't like this scent or you want a different one, they have a whole bunch of different ones. And I do believe that they have ones that are like colored. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they have colored ones. So if you don't want the regular white one, go for a darker shade. But I do love that one for traveling, and I take that with me everywhere. And the second one is actually a recommendation from you guys, which is the Dove Refresh and Care. This is the Detox and Purifying Dry Shampoo. I really, really like this one. I think it's amazing. And also, I think it's only like $5, and this thing has lasted me a very, very long time. And it smells super refreshing, and it does a really good job of controlling my oils in my hair, especially if I'm not washing my hair like every other day like I'm used to. I wash my hair, like I feel like it goes I go a long time without washing my hair because I want my color to stay on, and I get so lazy to go into the salon and get it redone. But the color of my hair has stayed on a lot longer than the first time that I did it. The first time I dyed my hair, let me tell you a story. I wanted my purple hair back, so I dyed my hair. So I went to the salon. My hairstylist dyed my hair, Brittany. I will leave her link down below, so if you are looking for an amazing hairstylist, she's amazing. She's the only one that touches my hair. Anyways, so that Wednesday I got my hair done, and then Friday night or Thursday night, I left to Vegas. Your girl jumped into the pool, people wet my hair, like it was chlorine everywhere. So my hair actually, like the color washed out so quickly, and I was so mad, and I was like, fuck. So 2 weeks later, I went in and I got it recolored, like touched up, and the color has been staying on a lot longer than the last time that I did it, even though I've gone to like the pool, I've jumped to the ocean, I've gone swimming, I've washed my hair a couple of times. It's been in my hair for a lot longer than last time, so I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a very dark purple, so you can only see it like mostly in the sunlight, which is what I wanted. So anyways, this is an amazing dry shampoo. Try it out. You can find it at Target, Walmart, Ulta, any of those stores. It's amazing. The last beauty item that I do have is actually my deodorant that I've been using. I sweat a lot, and not like BO or anything, but I don't like feeling like I smell. So I've been trying to find a natural deodorant for a very long time. This is the one that I have been using for the last month and a half, and it's a very strong, pungent smell. Like Nathan's always like, babe, I can smell your deodorant stick in the entire bathroom. It's actually by Lush. So it looks like this. It's gonna look weird, but it's a bar. This is their, a lot of stuff just fell out. This is their aromatic, or aroma, it's ROMACO deodorant. So it's actually an amazing deodorant. I've used it, like I said, for the last month and a half. It's kind of weird because I'm literally taking a bar of soap and like rubbing it under my arms, but it lasts throughout the day. I smell fresh and I smell clean, and when I do work out, I don't feel like I smell like, you know, body odor, and it's made of like natural ingredients. So it's something that I've been wanting to try for a very long time, and I really like it. So that is the last beauty item that I have. The next thing is a summer favorite, and it is these bad boys. These are my key Australian sunglasses in My Girl. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, I wear these all the time. They are beautiful sunglasses and I love them, and they just, like, whenever I feel like I don't want to wear makeup, I wear these and then lipstick and mascara, and I'm good to go. And I feel like badass in them. Like, they make me feel like, damn, I got my life together. Your girl is getting it, you know what I mean? Like, it just makes me feel, yes. So this one is in the style My Girl, so you can pick them up on Key's website, or probably, I think I got these at the store in LA, so I picked those up. Those have been my favorite. And the other ones that I have been wearing non-stop are my Key Australia collaboration with Desi. This one has a lot of watermarks on it because I wore them to Vegas, and they're just super cute. These are the Saharas in the green. Ooh. They were perfect for me when I was at the beach, and then also when I was at the pool in my cute ass bathing suit, girl. So I really love these. These are amazing sunglasses. So if you're looking for sunglasses, Key Australia, they got you. They got you. The other three things aren't beauty related, but I did want to include them because they are my favorite for the month of June. So this is a new thing actually Nathan got for me, and it is the Joby Handy Pod. I have been vlogging like a mother. Like, I have been vlogging everywhere I go, and I used to have this really awkward, I used to have the other Joby, the one that's like with the balls and stuff. Like, it's very uncomfortable. I mean, it comes in handy when I need to like wrap it around like a tree or something and I need to vlog that way, but I needed something that was just kind of like comfortable. So Nathan actually got it for me for a gift. So it's very comfortable on the hands, and it's very durable. Like I could put it anywhere and it literally stays. The other one that I was using, which is a lot smaller than this one, it kept like moving around, and my camera, since the lens on my camera can sometimes I switch it out, it can be a little heavier, so it's top heavy, so it would always like fall forward, and then I'm like, oh fuck, my camera lens. So this one has been working like a dream, and it is super sturdy and it is made very well. Super comfortable for vlogging. Like if you guys are looking for something that is, you know, comfortable in the hands and then you can vlog with it, like I love this thing. This has been an amazing thing, and it's so comfortable. Like go buy one. Like go buy one. It's amazing. It's worth the investment. I think it's less than like 50 bucks, and Joby makes amazing stuff. So yeah. The very last thing is actually these. These are mala beads by the Mala collection, and I have been doing a lot of meditation, and I've been going to meditation classes, which sounds like super hippie, but I really love meditating, and especially in the morning when I feel like I clear my mind. It's great for grounding yourself and realizing like what's coming up for you, the things that are on your mind. Like especially for me, I feel like I'm doing so many things at one time. I just need to take time out of my day, even if it's 10-20 minutes, to really realign myself and pour into myself. So I have been loving these. I take these with me everywhere. But that is the very last thing for my June favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave all of my links down below for you to go ahead and follow. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.